Just remember which side your bread's buttered on, son.
I am recording.
The bottom and the top. No, you don't. It's the bottom because all these
Right, he's just lit a thing at the back.
I think he's just about to light them, yeah.
It's a long walk home otherwise.
Oh, with like a firework.
It's a long walk home if you don't like it.
Your bread is put on the bottom because then you put it on the floor and it gets all dirty and gets all the dirt on it, then you eat it.
Ugh.
That's a nice one. See that one?
They're lighting them now.
Whoa! Albert!
Stand to light them. Cameron, he's lit one.
Woo! Whoa! Little one's gonna be awake now, definitely. Woo! Because they're loud. Jesus. Oof.
What's the live on this?
Live. And then click the middle one.
This one.
Yeah. Oh, what? Awesome! Woo!
Wow.
If it's just like 3 of them.
I don't believe it. You can hear the echo.
I'm not even looking at the camera. But you didn't get a full colour on the camera.
Yeah. Whoa! Oh, what? Oh, wow! Awesome!
Another one, Albert.
Oh, whoa! Another one! Woo!
Anyone?
Oh, what? Sweet!
Walk it out and start going up.
Whoa!
Yeah, behind the country.
Woo!
Yeah, but one of them came out. The big one that came up.
There might be a path down between them. It's safe for them, sweetheart. I don't know, we've never walked it before.
It's enough echoing. Woof.
I'm going to enjoy them now.
Oh, what? That is awesome.
It's better.
That's better. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, what? They're amazing.
It takes up the whole sky, doesn't it?
Yeah!
To that one.
Whoa! Oh, what? Whoa! Check them out! Oof. Little ones awake. Oh, what? Whoa! Woo! Oh, what?
Beautiful, eh?
What? Oh, what? Hey, Mom.
Sparkling away up there.
Yeah! That's awesome! Whoa! Oh, what?
Like wiggly worms. Isn't it?
Yeah! I've never seen them ones before. They're different. Whoa! Oh, what? That's awesome.
Probably spend about £40,000 worth of fireworks.
And the rest, maybe more. Yeah. Spent about a fortune on them. Definitely. this is awesome.
That fireworks not as good. Them ones keep rock, them ones just go on the
Whoa! What?
Excellent.
What? That was awesome. Wow! Woo! Woo! Grief! Whoa! Oh, what? Good grief. Press it again. Whoa! 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 Woo! Jeez! Oh, whoa!
And that guy with the George.
Bet you won't know you've got. Yeah. I'm sweating this game out so much. Oh, we sweat, yeah.
This is what we did last year, though.
We played the songs.
Whoa! Oh, what? Woo! Awesome! That is awesome! Whoa! Oh, what? Whoa! Whoa! Jeez! Whoa! Jesus! Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, yay, yay! God, you did not feel the floor vibrate with that one.
Tell you feel it.
Charlotte, I think the baby's gonna like rock songs when he's old.
They'll come shooting with you with the noise.
Oh, what? Did not feel the vibration of them.
I love the massive one.
Yeah.